Welcome to Sri Ramshan Physics Pilot. இந்த வீடியோஸ்ல நம்ம பார்க்கக்கூடியது physics 12th standard physicsல problems and its solutions. So the first lesson electrostatics. Electrostaticsல example and exerciseல similar problems ஒரே மாதிரியா இருக்கக்கூடிய problems டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம். So example 1.1. So question, calculate the number of electrons in 1 coulomb of negative charge. So you have to calculate the number of electrons in 1 coulomb of negative charge. So in this case, first you have to write what is given. So here the negative charge, that is Q, is 1 coulomb. That is given. The value, that is Q, will be equal to 1 coulomb, and you are expected to find the value for the number of electrons, that is N. So in this case, some constant value, that is the charge of the electron, that is E, is not given. Sometimes they will give or they may not give because it is a constant value. So you have to know the value for charge of the electron, that is E will be equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, it is very, very important concept. It may be asked in one word also. So in this case, you are going to find the number of electrons N. So next one is the formula you have to write. So the general formula, that is Q will be equal to Ne, is the general formula. So in this case, you are going to find the value for N. Therefore N will be equal to Q by E. Now you are going to substitute the value for Q, that is Q is given as 1 coulomb. So in this case, 1 divided by, and charge of the electron, that is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Now, so in this case, 10 power minus 19, other numerator la kondu pogumboludu, you will get 10 power 19 by 1.6. 10 power 19 by 1.6. இந்த வேல்யூஸ் நம்ம எப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம் அப்படினு பார்த்தா 10 into 10 power 18 இது மாதிரி எழுதிக்கலாம். Because 10 into 10 power 18 நம்மளுது 10 power 1, 10 power 18, so totally 10 power 19 ங்கிற value divided by 1.6. So which will be equal to 10 by 1.6 into 10 power 18. So இந்த values இப்போ decimal அதாவது 1 point இருக்கும் பொழுது டிவைட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு you will get some confusion. ஸோ அப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம், இது ஃபுல்லாக ஹோல் நம்பராக மாற்றலாம். ஹோல் நம்பராக மாற்றுறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும், மல்டிப்ளை அண்ட் டிவைடட் பை 10. ஸோ அப்போ இந்த வேல்யூஸில் இந்த 10-ஐ இந்த 10ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறோம். அதே மாதிரி இந்த 10-ஐ 1.6ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறேன். பண்ணும் பொழுது யூ வில் கெட் 10 into 10 இட்ஸ் செட் டு பி 100 into 10 power 18 divided by 1.6 into 10. So totally it is said to be 16. So which will be equal to 100 by 16. இதை நம்ம வந்து ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப்பாக கேன்சல் பண்ணி போடலாம். கேன்சல் பண்ணி போடும் பொழுது you will get, that is 2ஆல் பண்ணும் பொழுது 50 by 8 into 10 power 18. ஸோ இந்த வேல்யூ என்னவா மாறும் உனக்குங்க, 25 by 4 into 10 power 18. So in the value 12.5 divided by 2 into 10 power 18. Then this value will be equal to 6.25 into 10 power 18. Now you are going to write the result. So result, this value, that is 6.25 into 10 power 8, you are going to find the number of electrons. So number having no unit, So you are going to write as the number of electrons, that is 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons is the answer. Okay, now we are going to discuss the same problem, but in this case, that is exercise 1, the value, that is the charge, will be changed, and you are going to find the number of electrons only in this case also. So now we are going to read the question. When two objects are rubbed with each other, approximately a charge of 50 nanocoulomb can be produced in each object. So calculate, in this case also you are going to find number of electrons that must be transferred to produce this charge. So again you are going to write the given data. So given data here, the charge is given, that is Q will be equal to 50 nanocoulomb. So in this case, in 11th standard you studied about the nano, micro, most of that value. So the value for nano is said to be 10 power, that is nano is said to be 10 power minus 9. That the value for nano. So in this case, instead of this nano, you are going to write as 50 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb, and you are going to find, that is the number of electrons, N will be equal to what? Now you know that same formula, that is the general formula you have to write, that is Q will be equal to Ne. So from this, N will be equal to Q by E. Now you are going to substitute that value. So instead of Q, 50 into 10 power minus 9, that can be divided by, already you know, that is the charge of the electron, that is E will be equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. ஏற்கனவே நம்ம என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கோம், சார்ஜ் ஆஃப் தி எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் வந்து கொடுப்பாங்க, கொடுக்காம இருப்பாங்க. அப்போ இந்த வேல்யூஸை நீ நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். டிவைடட் பை 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So இந்த வேல்யூஸில் இந்த 10 power minus 19 நியூமரேட்டரில் போகும் பொழுது what will you get? 50 into 10 power minus 9 into 10 power, இந்த மைனஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது ப்ளஸ்ங்கிற வேல்யூவாக மாறிடும். ஸோ ப்ளஸ் 19 அப்படிங்கிற வேல்யூஸில் இருக்கும், டிவைடட் பை 1.6, which will be equal to, இங்கே 10 power plus 19, இங்கே 10 power minus 9, அப்போ டோட்டல் என்ன ஆகும்? 10 power 10. So 50 into 10 power 10 divided by 1.6. ஸோ போன ப்ராப்ளம் மாதிரியே 1.6ங்கிற பொழுது அதை நம்ம எப்படி ஹோல் நம்பரை மாற்றலாம்? மல்டிப்ளை அண்ட் டிவைடட் பை 10 on both sides. So what will you get here? So 50 into 10 is said to be 500 into 10 power 10 divided by 1.6 into 10 is said to be 16. So which will be equal to 500 by 16 into 10 power 10, which will be equal to 250 divided by 8 into 10 power 10, which will be equal to 125 by 4 into 10 power 10, which will be equal to 62.5 divided by 2 into 10 power 10. இந்த வேல்யூ என்னவா மாறும் உனக்கு ஃபைனலாக? 31.25 into 10 power 10. Now you are going to write the result. So result is it to be 31.25 into 10 power 10, and you are going to find only the number of electrons. So you are going to write as electrons. So in both the problems, that is exercise as well as in the example problems, the value is changed. First problem la பார்த்தோம்னா Q equal to 1 coulomb அப்படிங்கற கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க. So இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ல Q equal to 50 nanocoulomb. இப்போ நானோக்கு பதிலா அந்த மைக்ரோ 10 power minus 6 அப்படிங்கிற வேல்யூஸ் எல்லாமே you already know. Okay students, if you have any doubt in these problems, just contact in our WhatsApp number and we will clarify your doubts. Thank you all.